Amagaro benki ya umwancho murigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mu Gusii ngwege na ritko lya abere ritoero kegima na nene kwa abere go kwego kya aso kubwate mirobero yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekero rire ritko lya Jumanne etariki yemo y'umutyenyi o11 omwaka no ibwekiri bibere na meronko ebere nebere ne ritko bono omurayi wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto achoriro na omo patron wekeombe kyomusarabo mbariri go se Red Cross unenchire yemo yokoene bokorera iboro byago cyase abananchi kinga kingiya ekero yaragirense yemekero ngo kwariganya iriyo nkomanyemuna naraya ya nakwariganire ko rwase kinsemo cyansi asenchera ere yobekera nukore nditangani kegima tyaturanyore gatiari nkwariganire tie asenchera ere yobwenye.
Hii maji ni chafu sana, mvua ikinyesha maji inateremsha uchafu wote kutoka huko chini.
Abarayi murabizi rigererio mu cyando bwe ubikeroka na kwokogania kwabamenyi bensemeyo.
Nara gusaba sabantu tutayikonyana anyara gotoyererie bangonsake
egati abananchi anene korwase county ya Kisii kugania kweyererirwe banko eyo bawakana.
I am encouraged by your legacy of admirable accomplishments.
Umurayi wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kogokero bokorori bwekeumbe kyomusarabo mubariri go se Red Cross ekerabeire omo patron yobo. Omwancho murigerirwa nayo munayenda manga senchira yobwekera nungo kwariganira ryo nkumanye buna nkwariganirtie inyora buna nabokugendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tubwatwetera Ndizi TV News nabogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News asensemere ya Twitter boigo ase website yaito ni gora tonyorwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendere gokumanya mankire tariane Evelyn Osero olitoko bwatrana nere kwenekia awekera sensemo imanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Uta kabana intwe komwerio ama ya yense yemoni gotoko ya chaka korwase county ya Nyamira awase omugavana we county yo Amos Kimwo Minyaribo aberega kubatumainka aba obisa usasegeka kyo mutyenyo yomo aba obisa bari abagusangereria ebanko naboyigo abateneri babo naboyigo abanyanyimbo bakanjo askeriage gotebekana munanigo ebanko gose gusangerera kwebango kwabeire go kwirana ise boyigo Nyaribo ni gabaga kubachora bari baraciye gotenera ase tinsemecho abo chiko chako bokoreri bwabo bene ritko lya angi muri kitokora se county ya Nyamira job manki na twariganire tyo roboti oruo
omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigo atenenia emeremo abakori emeremo bogo sangereria ebango asegeka kya matuko emerongo 3
rero iga abakori emeremo bose bari involved no sabe bango bakoro ku revenue collectors wari bonds bakore enforcement as a revenue correction na wari bonds babatenereta rero yango batoma a leaf ya matuko 30
yenko bwatekana na kya kwebango egosangereri gune county ya Nyamira asagi keli abakori emereme yugotatwara obwegenwa
twabwatirie twanyorire n'abantu baitu bari turigete tugwakane meshara batari abegenwa bakorete chibesanke chinde babeke mebuko
nigo bono obutuki burakigo chaka elinde komanya asoboko ngubwabeire
rejiwano to correct milioni 200 on average lakini to correct milioni 100 twanyor magendera ndete yotora akora ise abwenerete onye revenue yeito yoka yanka teisaini
bono ni gabakori emirimo bege kababekirwe elinde bagendera n'emirimo yo gusangereria ebango
bagende kaso mutinyo yomo timu nero ele temporary interim egoja wasa koire bango toko banga ngakitoko chora baya kurua sababe na bakori training igasa matuka 30 na wagonya twanyoro mwelekeo mwirongo Kwa hivyo naomba watu yetu ya Nyamira wakuwe pia waangalifu, kwa sababu hii pesa ni yenu. Ukiona mfanyikazi akichukua pound, piga picha, report tuweze kumjua na kumsimamisha kazi hapo hapo.
Kuruase kaunti ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Miyamano umurikeito Job Maangi ase orboti urure kiranu kuruase kaunti ya Nyamira. Totera nayo ni gotokwira na ase kaunti ya Kisii awase emibasukano yepara ya rokanire comment kana sekerengo keigoro koirera abanta banke gusiria amagimabo amateyemo enigo ere nobururo kuruase ekenyoro kya matongo iyo gotoka se ebunke ya machoge burabwe kaunti ya Kisii ne magaga yo kumusiria omwa matobo Pastor Daniel Onchieku oyorenke oso yorenko murandia ase district ya Mariba wetera ase umubasukano bwepara umurikeito Josephat Amisi na manke
emibasukano emenge ya pare yenyareko begekorokana asubwangoiga nigo yairire abantu abange anekurwa sorogongorwa gusiria obugima bwabo sobwangoiga anena se weekend ya nyarako begweta niga abantu batatu banyarako bagusiria obugima bwabo ase para enene amecho kwenda Chebing'ombe abantu batatu banyarako bagusiria obugima bwabo asumu basukano yo nyarako bagokorekana asenseme yo ya Chebing'ombe chingaki egetaseni kia Ndizi TV kenyarako begotarira enga emo ase kenyoro kia matongo nigo boigo kenyora enga yanyagusira Pastor Daniel Onchieku egendreto ko begwichanira ogo kwa pasto yo uyu nyarako bagagusira obugima bwaye anena somo basakano para uyu nyarako bagokorekana ensemo ya mugonga
ngo batikira Nyasaye kara gosoka kuri nyumba muikireti asomo kwana waseta he didn't recognize me ana chite sinyo amangano ka ndebe nanyore ta kwana. Help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus.
Naite ngongo mukune kemba. Kuita kunyanga ngakimwana yona. Nigwete mu kusidi. Mana igwete mu kusidi wana wana mchana ndimo Kenya kana. Akina masaba ya mate usiye ngima nense.
Aba bwatani abutwanyara ko batokonyora ase enga ya nyagusira Pastor Daniel Onchieku nigo bwatokam ebirengere byabo kubatekana ngaba mumanyete nyagusira Pastor Daniel Onchieku
ono nabere egasi enkong ase ngijo siria Pastor Daniel andege ndegebuna kya mubasukano nabo muntu ogusinywa so cyakira na wotware ngo sabanga batwakire bunabarai amocha neke nyoreke ya kya matongo
majanda manene asengencho twasiriro musomba bwa manene oyorenge bwengenche nene ase district ya Amariba nonyene district ya Ito abago tubwate siasa mbere menene ko bare no munginoe cherusha bwema
ego tora asengencho twasiririe omu Pastor Daniel Onchieku yaro onye kanyoro bokoreriga ali Amariba no bamenyeta no munginoe aderende twabere tokosanga manera singira chinyinge asubwana no bokoreriga mutume katole
boigo nigo babolirie abantu babwate okugania kuya banyarako bagwesokia na kweneka babwateranire asemeroberio yokomwenia Pastor Daniel Onchieku na boigo kwenekia nga babwateranire elia mate ya nyarako bagochagumba ase boigo atigire abana babere au baraba kemono
Kaki abana bake batigara abantu mwensi motorigereti na ele morocho bakomu no braso mochio tengeria masabo ande munyare mwika se familia financially Nyasaye abaseseni
kani Nyasaye tinko mana so boswa maneno kiaga nero bwatu bugumabwari
Poteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV korua ekenyero kia matongo ime constituency ya Machoge Barabu
Eritana Josephat Amisi
Muyamana omurigeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ororoikiranu ababwatani amona baunchoreria korwase omuchiokeroka eyere ebwate Nyamira na Kisii nigo besokire na kwemurunganiria obuchabu obuchire ase omuchioyo nabo igo amachabu yanto bateyiro buna nigo gekogosereria koreta amaroire chingencho au anene ase abana bakegose aborokiwa nabo nigo baganire serikali kubwatirana nebyombe au ne kyombe kya Gusii water and sanitation korigereria engane yo na kwene kyabuna omuchioyo obere kogochenwa muriketo Mildred Mumanyi norobati urwasenchira yobwime
Omochie okeroka oyore obugatagati bwe county ya Kisii na Nyamira nigo bono ogendrete gukina ase birengo byigoro mono ase korende ore no gwichania kweubi amone metaro ya mache amachabu ayabeire egasia ngongu kigima gochiase abamenyi Bosira ngwenyi oyore omoriki omonene bwe kyombe kya Gusii culture naende omumenyi bwo mochokeroka nigo aganirie etauni eyo korabigwa ase obwango iliyogotanga amarwaire.
Hii mambo ya upangaji kama sewage system, refuse collection, ile takataka vile na okotwa na vile mambo ya sewage vile napelekwa mahali napelekwa iko shida. Tunaomba viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa uangalie hiyo maneno.
Abamenyi benseme yo na barobunigo besokirie na kugikiria engane yemetaro yo buchabu amone ubi asebatebire nigo abagotumika amachayo asebaganirie abateneri wasonania iliyogotoria korwa ase emechando erebosio buna amarwaire.
Shida tuko nayo kwa hii maji sana kwa hii mtaro. Hii maji ni chafu sana, mvua ikinyesha maji inateremsha uchafu wote kutoka huko chini, inateremsha kwenda huko hapa chini. Sasa ukipita harufu ni ile hata unasikia kutoka huko kwa barabara. Harufu inatoka mbaya. Halafu watoto wetu hapa chini wakeroka ndio okay. Wanakunywa hiyo maji.
Na hii maji ni kama inaweza leta madhara kwa wakaaji wa Keroka. Magonjwa, watoto wanachezea kwa hiyo mtaro, hiyo maji ni chafu. Halafu hii mtaro haichafunikwa vizuri, watoto wanapitia hapo wakienda shule, maji ikipita itaweza enda na watoto kwa mto.
Boigo nigo basabire serikali ya county ya Kisii wetera omugavana Paul Simba Arati wasonania na kubakonya eliyemetare yogo tichwa.
Sasa tunaomba mheshimiwa His Excellency Simba Arati ambaye si yeye aliweka hii mtaro, vile ameingia hivi asaidie wakaaji wa hapa Keroka, ajaribu kurekebisha hii mtaro na aelekeshe hii maji penye inafaa iende. Juu ni maji chafu, ni sewage yenye itaweza leta magonjwa kwa shule zenye ziko karibu kama DOK hapa Keroka, na wakaaji wameshinda wakilalamika.
Omo MCA bwe ward ya Ichuni Wycliffe Siocha niga atebire engane yo nechikorigererwa ase oboime ase boigo atebire emetare yo yaetwe omo contractor ko yerosia ase goikera bona iga etarosirie ase atebire nachikorigereria ase oboime engane yo.
On the same note, I know that a tender was done and this tender was being sponsored by a donor to ensure that they uplift the drainage system of Keroka town. And to my disappointment is that that tender was done, yes, money was paid, yes, but the work that was done there was so substandard. And I'm happy to report that I'm taking up this matter, and again as the chair of implementation of the counter decisions and undertakings both in the executive and they are in the assembly, I'm taking this as one of the exercises that I'll give priority for inspection.
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV litaliane Mildred Mumanyi.
Miyamana omuriketo Mildred Mumanyi ase oroboti ororoikiranu ekero omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenderete kuboria aba Kenya kwene kyabunangwa kana bare banko yabo nibwenerete nigo bono igatia aba Kenya babere bakure birengerere byabo kubwatikana n'ugwakano ko gusangirirwa kwebango anena se baria bokonyora kwa inse baganire nganeye kurigererwa asobwe mumuriketo Ndemo Stephen nabakagusanga nabwo.
Tije chinjera chia insenda yonsi goikirania niboye budget yaye nebange korwegwa n'abamenyi bense yo. Omurai bwense William Ruto oberega gwakireko kaba Kenya kwene kinkorwa bare bango. Dr. Yusuf Mutali no mumanyi bwa mangana yenibo.
Bono ndurgo tekanya kuba toko saba chiloni chinde korwa se chinse chinde
ende tunyara kuba toga kwagacha Kenya bono toje gutwara gento kire bakoruka basunga homegrown solutions
narenga kumanya gusava Kenya mbabwato kwegena bune serikali ya William Samoei Ruto nyare goikeri ekerengo kibangega neiri goikiranu gwetera evangelia konyoru gwetera ense ya Kenya
egento keragere twetanie bango ne aba Kenya kwerwa na understand buyobo kure bango kwerwa eminetinga serikali yakona sema yabo yoko ki transparency in account and accountability ase bango. Number 2, abantu nabaro bolenga amagani aba nyari ko bagawikirana bakorora boigo korwe bango will not be a problem. Tax evasion, tax avoidance ebigo chiko bebike eri naba Kenya bamanyanga tikababo golie gurubeye yokwagacha ense yabo bonsi amo
abamenyi na barabuo mbasange birengeri byabo igorengana yepini ya KRA ase basabe serikali kororoba ase bali bakonyore nibo ya inse na koene kie bango yabo bakonyora iguru ya soire ase kegancha giense.
Now when the government is going to put all these people in the system just because they want to okay na beta talk about serious ngani this angeli but the money is not there because these people have not access to job, they have no money to pay tax.
Bono igabuna tukukwana aba Kenya bagwakana ebango kucha serikali go bari milioni 5 ibereboka. Milioni 5 ibereboka baro about 30%, almost 30%. Bono abo bande 70% urochenga mbali ase mbali gwakana ebango yabo.
Nako saba abantu taiko nyara anyara go toyererie bango nsake. Nani to basokolenga na abantu bachikamba ni kinene akura go saba kwane
obukurumie bora ase abantu bali ase serikali ase ngenje buna nto abananchi bakagwaida ngwaka na tole lakini kwanyora kichi aso ile galia bali babwenda ko chibeka boronge chikonyo mwana inchi kwanyora bangaire ko chikorekania bachigachire
ine ningikera korune serikali gwetere kiombe kirige gosangeria bango gya Kenya Revenue Authority kwene kibuna aba Kenya babwato kwegena no murubiri bwa serikali bo gosangeria bango
so serikali eri system ngiye yo kuri kibase abantu mbara babwate kibase abantu abande bayire kibase guchimumbu chise cyawe uchikobisora ngegera baso gora kimbasi ko bwate unakere so many defaulters bararo batarakane kwenda. These are the people are supposed to be looked into, baba investigated, baba forced to work on the chibesa, which is serikali. Abantu mbara babata chibesa.
Iko serikali yetu ya Kenya gendo kyara kolekia no go siri corruption. So that kero monda feelinga chibesa chia engo tumeka chiribuya asoko agacha ago sokoleta magendro Kenya.
Nonye emeroberekanete kobe kwa mone serikali ya Kenya kurau no muraibu ense William Samoei Ruto kwene kibuna ense ya Kenya ngoikeriere kerengo kievango eganeiri korwa sense ya Kenya nigaba Kenya basangire birengeri au kwene kibuna enchere serikali ratumike koikerani ekerenga kievango koba kira senchira yobo twera no iranya legoleto koigwano kuya gati ya wananchi amone serikali ense ya Kenya. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV Elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mano Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ururu ikeranu muraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo ago keiro bokoreri ibwe kiombe kyomusarabo mubariri gose Red Cross aso ukurwa bokonyi gochiase abananchi yani gaja kwana chinga kyomerana nababwatani korwa se kiombe kyo ase nyumba yobora ya State House mu cyo Nairobi chinga kiboigo achorwa kuba umutenendero Bob na Omo Patron asagani bagendere kunomukia bwo konya abananchi.
And the Kenya Red Cross in a salient example. It aims at mitigating pastoralist losses from livestock deaths while relieving hunger and malnutrition in our arid and semi-arid rangelands by purchasing 27,000 livestock to assist nearly 270,000 households keep the drought at bay. At the same time, I am aware that the society runs a robust health, nutrition, and social service program, which targets households affected by conflict and drought. COVID-19 worsened already desperate conditions in certain parts of our country that were ravaged by insecurity and drought. Access to life-saving health services was disrupted, and the most vulnerable people were exposed to extreme suffering. This program has also helped many, especially children, get another chance at life and its infinite possibilities. I'm also aware that the organization Development Dimension supports effective service delivery through well-trained staff, complemented by a countrywide network of members and volunteers coordinated from the Society's branches and regions. At the heart of the Society's mandate are members and volunteers. Indeed, I understand volunteerism as the foundation of the Red Cross movement, legacy and vision.
Gukwanira igoro y'umuchando bw'umurakera n'abayigencharo yogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo oimense ya Kenya William Ruto nigateba buna mbagenderete kubeka emirobero n'abayigo babekire ensemo chiringi bilioni 2 ekyo kirache gokonya ase ogukora umuchando oyo.
As a government, apart from dealing with the current situation of drought, we are also making sure that we have continuous, sustained, predictable supply of food in our country, and that is why we are investing in fertilizer, we are investing in good quality seed. Kenya Red Cross and other humanitarian organizations to build capacity in our communities, even as we build the infrastructure to harvest water. And we have said that the first 100 dams are already in the works with our Ministry of Water and Irrigation, because we want to bring at least double the area under irrigation from 670,000 to 1.5 million acres in the next, to exploit the full potential of 3 million acres to be put under irrigation in our country as a mechanism of ensuring that we have constant, predictable supply of food, both for human beings and for our livestock, as we seek to create a country that is sustainable and that is food secure.
Muwaziri bw'obonchoreria Moses Kuria niga kwaneire umubaro bw'abantu ali barikire ase factory yokorosianga oyo atebire buna nigo oromoke kegima korengana nere nigo begete mirobero yokoenekia buna abantu abange babeire bakonyora libagarie emirimo ase factory eyo nenchira yemo yo korobya emirimo nabego kubakonya kwegenderera bya asama gimabo.
For the players in that sector, we have only 50,000 people employed by the textile industry. It is our intention to actually equal, if not be better than Bangladesh, and we will do that and grow the jobs to, if not 5 million, 6 million. That is my challenge to the textile industry. And it is doable. We are going to do it. We can do it. In my opinion, these things have been neglected for a long time. Because that is bad news and good news. It's bad news because we have lost the opportunity. It's good news because the opportunity is still there. And the effort to do something about these things is not that much. It's just that they have not been done, so it appears like it is impossible.
Unenchira yemo yogo kinia sekta yoboremi anena se county ya Kericho nigo mugavana bwe county yo Eric Mutai achorire kamati y'abantu 10 abo barachikorigereria obotumeki bwe chimashine chogotore chae nabo igo okoenanwa kwemeremo asabasae ase sekta yo.
Their lease expired. Who renewed their lease? The people of Kericho were never consulted that the lease of these people has expired. So yes, the lease were renewed without consulting the owner of the farm on how you want the lease terms to look like. Number two, the question of the land rates. The debate is what they are paying us is peanuts. There is no farm in this county of Kericho that is now being leased at around 264 shillings. Even a nigger in the village, the deepest end of the village, is now 7,000 Kenya shillings. And it doesn't make sense that we continue to receive little revenue from the tea estate. We are also looking into the mechanization. And now in Kericho, we have also saying we are not satisfied with the way they are conducting business.
Abamenyi wetani chimibere ase ensemo ya Midhuri ime ya Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru nigo banyorire obokonyi wendagera kubwatikana n'umuchando w'enchara uyogendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemecho korengana n'omubunge o Naivasha Jane Kihara nigo aganirie abasamaria bayawesokya na kugendera kurwa obokonyi obwo yendate na serikali yoka te kurwa obokonyi buisaine boigo nigo aganirie serikali kwenekia bunango kunyere bisima asobonge elio abananchi konyora mache ketambukero abamenyi bechisemecho bagokeire mono.
Imeuma kila mahali. Tunajua ile chakula imekuja ni kidogo sana. Upande wa Mai Mahiu huko Longonot watu wako njaa sana. Kwa hivyo ni kuomba kila mtu ambaye akona kitu anaweza peana ama share na rafiki na yule hana wajitokeze tusaidie watu wa Naivasha jameni.
Tumesema asadi na mbarikiwe na Mungu. Nilikuwa na daraja sikubiri, sikukuwa na kula. Na sina uwezo ingine.
Kama sasa mchere yenye tumepatiwa yenyewe inaweza kutusave kwa sababu kama kwa nyumba ukiwa saa nyingine uko na watoto kama 5, hiyo mchere haiwezi katosha, lakini yenyewe itasimamia njaa ya leo ama na kesho, lakini ishe.
Mahali hapa tumekaa kama slabs kulingana na vile unavyoona mazingira yalivyo. Kwa hivyo ningeliomba serikali itujali kuhusu hiki kijiji chetu hiki, ingawa na tujali kuhusu chakula.
Omokonyi bo mu county commissioner Ombita Neema Weshe nigaboririe abantu anene bali bamenyete ange ne nyancha ya Victoria otaeswanania na mangana ya chingenjo ao adene yobosaria buno butumekibwa mariogo yogotindia kwenya emebere yabo egatia yanda manke asiboigo aboririe abantu bamenyete ne binyinyi byenyamoreo kwene kiabunanko ikabare abamwe abange elio konyora obwa mateburo bya
HIV will be reduced to some extent now that there's stories about sex for fish, and we won't shy away from it that it happens, but we promise to work hard and ensure that the problem is reduced. The same way this area, there's a lot of illicit brews that we are really trying hard to fight, and we urge our community members to help us so that we work as a team and eliminate the menace. Instead of dealing with illicit brews, we urge our community members to engage in other activities that are income generating instead of depending on illicit brews that are illegal and they're not good for our health. Equally, we want to urge those people who are sick, those people who are HIV positive, to ensure that they take care of themselves and take the required ARVs and not neglect themselves. To the community, also not to discriminate those people who are sick, because it is normal, and we appreciate each one of us because we are all affected in one way or another. We want to thank all the organizations that are working hand in hand to ensure that our islands are get economically empowered, because we have problems of drought, and we hope through the governor's office and our office that our people will get some relief food.
Mwancho muriri bano roboti oruna rogotoreta omoerio bwa mayense ya masenchira ere yobwikira numbia mana sogo chora kurigereria Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusi kurende nyora chikoraga chinsa isato ayamana yanda manke ayonkwariganire tieni nchokoletera asenchira ere yobwikiranu anene korwase ensemeria ye chigosori yono mwancho murigeri to basa buskaregendra kurigereria Ndizi TV wayekarongo kunyuruna nabo kugendra gutubwate ase website yaito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke asesemo ya Facebook to watu wetera Ndizi TV News na waigo asesemo ya YouTube ni gora tunyoro wetera Ndizi TV News herio togendre kumanya manke erietariane Evalino Sero urutwa kubwatrana nere kwene kia awikira sensemo imanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Utatu konerio buligereri borubia.